Here at the Lafayette Charter School, we have the opportunity to build wonderful relationships with students, parents, and teachers that will last a lifetime and always be cherished. A relationship is the mutual connection or feeling that exists between two or more people. Because our students have that mutual feeling or connection between other students and teachers, we have become a school family. Here are some excellent examples of our school relationships.
I have a relationship with Mrs. Winkleman because she teaches me about farms. I have a relationship with Mrs. Clovis because she helps me read.
All right, Chloe, let's go over our words.
I have a relationship with Mrs. Berger because she helps me find books at library.
Are you ready to check that book out?
I have a relationship with Anne because she makes lunch for me. I have a relationship with Mr. Hunt because he helps me with computers.
Okay, Carly, why don't you click on Microsoft?
I have a relationship with Mrs. Wilson because she helps me with my homework. I have a relationship with Mr. Paul because he teaches me how to be physically active.
Alright, what you're going to do here is you're going to hold the stick like we talked about. You're going to lean forward, swing through, follow through, and go ahead. Let's see what you got.
I have a relationship with Mr. Ness because he helps me learn.
I have a relationship with Miss Harder because she helps me solve problems.
I have a relationship with Mrs. Hartley because she helps clean the school.
I have a relationship with Mrs. Schroeder because she brings books to reading buddies. I have a relationship with Grandma Julianne because she helps me learn. I have a relationship with Miss Yonke because she helps me with science. I have a relationship with Jess because she helps put our newsletter together.
Relationships are an important part in our everyday life here at LCS. We have the great gift of having relationships that build confidence, motivation, and learning within our students. Sometimes relationships may be difficult. They may be filled with fighting, arguments, and jealousy. But in the end, we need to remember that relationships are what keep us going, and they keep us motivated to achieve our goals. So for the remainder of the school year, continue to think about the different kinds of relationships you have here at LCS, and think of ways to show those people how you appreciate them. Robbie, I'm recording you.